everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series, I've been exploring traditional fashion from both ancient and modern cultures. From ancient Egypt to India to Japan, reimagining each style with my own creative touch. Today, we are continuing that journey with a gentle redesign of a classic mountain dress style from Europe, known as the Dirndl. This kind of outfit is known for its lovely shape and playful details like ribbons, lace, and floral patterns. I've always found cultural fashion to be a great source of inspiration, not just because of the beauty of the garments, but also the stories and traditions behind them. For this project, I'm starting with a basic outline of the dress and figure. I'm using a page from the Make It Real Fashion Design Kit, which is great because it gives me a simple shape to begin with. My idea was to keep some key elements of the traditional look, like the lace-up body and the layout skirt, but I wanted to play with color and shape a bit more freely. For example, I chose soft pastels instead of the reds and blacks you often see in older versions. As I go in with the markers, I start lining the skirt using different shades of pink and then use a fine liner to add some suitable floral patterns. I wanted this design to feel dreamy and light, almost like a fairy tale version of a classic mountain dress. While I respect and admire the historical styles, I also love imagining how they might look through a modern playful lens. Throughout the process, I found myself thinking about how clothing can carry cultural identity, but also how it can evolve. Sometimes we can take tradition and reshape it into something new that still holds the original charm. If you enjoy cultural fashion, costume design, or just marker art, I hope this video brings you some joy and inspiration. And don't forget, I've made other videos in this series, including Egyptian, Indian, and Japanese inspired outfits. You can find them all here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!